Hi, good morning, good morning. Ayan. Igisa na tayo ng ating pambotis. Sibuyas, bawang at luya. Ayan. Igisa muna natin ito. At susunod na natin ito. Puso. Puso ng baboy.
Order to provide you this.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. Okay. Yeah. One more thing. I've been charged $8.84. But I don't know what company is that. Yeah. Mostly if they auto deduct on your checking account, they tell you what company is, right? Yeah, that one is not saying from any company, something like that. So I'm just wondering why. Yeah, I believe so. December 1st. Yeah, because I don't recognize that transaction.